Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a heat treatment oven, and in this system we used here different types of components. So let's check the full operation of our project first. In this system, we used here a temperature controller, and one temperature sensor is connected with this temperature controller. This temperature sensor will read temperature value, and that will show in this PV part of this controller. And we included here a SSR of 25 ampere, and this SSR will control the power supply for this oven. And in this system, we designed here a gate or door for this oven, and you see here that. So let's power on this system first. So first of all, we will lock this door. You see here that our power supply will be turned on here, and our temperature controller is read 27 degrees Celsius temperature in the inner side of this oven. But after some times it will be improving, and you see here that if we open this part, at that moment you will see that our oven is running now. Our oven is generating heat by using the coil of Nichrome wire. And now we will close this door. This temperature is 145, and our target temperature is 990. And in this system, when it will get this maximum temperature, at that moment our SSR will cut off the power supply from this AC source to our stove or our oven. So you see here that our temperature is almost 233, and it's still now increasing. And now it's 279, 280, that means it's till now increasing. Now our temperature is 125 সেলসিয়াস দেখ গোয়া হইতাছে বডি দেখাই এর মুখটা কাটা দিলাম So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.